Yo, what's up, guys? It's Roy back with another video. Day two. It's kind of late on me recording this, but as long as we put in the work, that's all that matters. Yeah, so I'm about to show y'all what I was looking for today on NQ. Mostly bullish, right? I was overall bearish, but just seeing how the market has been moving, it's just been extremely bullish. So I'm just looking for more bullish moves at this point. Only until a level of support is broken, that's when I would actually look for resist or bearish moves. But for now, it's just straight bullish moves. So at this point, what I see here is this was like a really quick move. It was a move that was caught on the 1 minute time frame based off of this balanced area, which I'll show y'all right here. Okay. So seeing that we have been bullish, right? We are creating not major structure, right? But just minor structure, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then price just came down. But during this time, see 9:30-ish, we see here that go down to like the 5 minute. You're starting to see all this rejection, right? So me seeing that, oh, the zones are not, the thing is not there. Okay. Me seeing that, I have placed a nice little distribution area all along right here, right? So being on the smaller time frame. The reason being is that if you go back in time, this was support. It broke out, came back, somewhat of like a slow real retest, and then resistance, and then they just came back down. So seeing that, I was kind of confident in taking this trade, especially seeing that on the smaller time frame, if I placed a fib, right? Boom, that was a break. If I had placed a fib from point A to point B, price is hitting 61.8, as well as this distribution level. Also, we're above the VWAP, the blue line, which is like the main, average price, but we're still hitting the first band. So since we're still hitting the first band, I'm still seeing a continuation of the trade in which, for example, seeing here the price that came, create a level of support, right? We had a buy limit. Let me put a buy. All right, so seeing that, right, price that came down, our buy limit was at the 61.8 at 18,977. I'm looking for mostly bullish moves. We see that price did come and touch it at this, with this candle right here around like 1018. Then we see bullish moves, bullish, all up until this negative 27%. Mind you, yes, I know this is a demo account, but it's the principles that matters, the strategy behind it, right? We are ahead of market open, right? It being 9:30. So at that point, we just gotta see and wait. Seeing that right here, this was 1018, 1019, all up until 1020, around there. You're seeing rejection. So seeing that, it's great move for buys. Um, Now I did mention on the earlier video, right? The previous video that I was looking for more mostly sells. Why I'm looking for mostly sells is because price had broke this level of support, right? Price broke this level of support, came back up, creating this lower high. Now we do see a bearish variation with these 1, 2, 3, 4 candles engulfing this previous bullish candle. Seeing that, I'm not fully bearish, but let's say price evidently starts breaking this breaks this level of support, and we see multiple, bearish candles. Me seeing that, I will be looking for mostly sells. In the meantime, I'm I'm just sticking with bullish moves, right? Bullish moves only up until price. breaks this level of resistance at this 88.6, right? Once price breaks this 88.6, I will be fully looking for bullish moves all the way up until this area, which will be 2056. All right. Me saying that will be good. Will be good. But overall, I'll say long term, I'm looking for more sells. Short term, more bullish moves than anything. And since we are trading gold, all right, let's go to gold. I know I took it. Oh, so I didn't really miss my entry. It was more of price didn't hit my technicals the way how I wanted it to hit. So seeing that, this was start here. It was here. So seeing that, right? We see, all right, so I was looking for more bearish type of movements. Also seeing how price was creating these lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, right? Seeing that, we are looking for more bearish movement. So on the smaller time frame, we did see a little break of support, right? It wasn't a major level of support, but it was a minor level of support. Seeing that price created this level of support right here, we seen it break, came back, and yeah, it respected and just kept dropping. Now, mind you, I really was looking for these sells. I was looking for price to, you know, break, come back to the zone, and then continue dropping. It didn't do that. So it didn't follow my rules. I'm not taking the trade at all. At all. This one, you could have taken this more of a continuation type of move, but it's kind of risky seeing that, it is gold. Gold has been moving extremely crazy as of recently. And also too, this was at 9:30. Anything could have happened at this candle. So yeah, overall, I am looking for more of a bullish move, seeing that if we did use FIDs, right? So I'm already using FID. But you see how we're hitting 38.2, we created some engulfing variation. If we go down to the 30-minute time frame, no, not the 30. Let's go 15, 15. Yeah, 15 looks a little bit cleaner, right? On the 15-minute time frame, we see that price broke this level of resistance, right? So we are looking for more of a bullish, not bullish, but more of a higher low to form, in which honestly, I could see price come back down to 61.8 or even back down to 78.6. These two levels I will be looking at. I'm not too heavily focused on just one area. I want to see how price reacts in those areas in order for me to continue in the direction. Now, if price just fails and just keeps dropping, all right, I'll look for more sells. But for now, this is all I got right now, especially for tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'll keep y'all updated. Um, yeah. Thank you for watching. I hope y'all learned something. If y'all got any questions, just drop it down below and I will definitely reply. Peace and love.